The V8 diesel Toyota 70 Series Landcruiser. We know owners like to load them up with kit and accessories and don't hesitate towing trailers and big caravans. And the downside to all that weight is the obvious and unavoidable loss in acceleration. You can't avoid it. Well, actually, that's not entirely correct. Yet again, Safari 4x4 engineering has delivered. The Safari ARMAX High Performance Turbocharger. A beautiful piece of robust Aussie design and manufactured engineering excellence. Built to reliably reclaim lost performance. But this thing's real potential is unleashed as part of a complete package. And that, for me, is why Safari stand head and shoulders above anything else out there. So no chips, no remapping your factory ECU, and look at that, factory DPF sitting right where it belongs. So you stay legal and doing your bit for the Aussie environment that we all love so much. This is a complete OE quality system that starts at the ARMAX 4-inch performance snorkel, right? That massively increases the airflow into the new Safari ARMAX Turbocharger, which in turn has a 25% increase in capacity over your standard unit. So that alone is a huge efficiency increase, and it'll then love a post-DPF exhaust upgrade. But the real kicker here is the direct control of that turbo by Safari's ARMAX ECU with the new direct torque function. It doesn't replace your factory ECU, it works harmoniously with it. So the net result here is a genuine and significant increase in power, a big upgrade in torque, increased fuel efficiency, and better drivability. And this is only achievable because this turbocharger package provides integrated and sophisticated airflow, boost, and fuel flow management. And that's the point. That direct torque ECU feature means it has direct control of the turbocharger, allowing the engine's torque curve to be altered without restriction. Clever. Now sure, any of these bits individually will deliver on their own. We've already shown you that. But this really is a complete solution, a proper solution without gimmickry. And it's brought to you by the family, the Aussie-owned company that live this stuff. You know, if I was spending on a 70 series and I wanted to fully optimise or exploit its capability, and I wanted to do that properly and reliably, this is exactly how I do it.